Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving ownership and gathering recovery data. Without that, stops are necessary. Once done, check the account's registered email and phone for recovery links and codes. Make sure you have any recovery keys or backup codes saved elsewhere before attempting resets. If the device belongs to an organization, contact your administrator now. These steps prevent accidental lockouts and ensure you follow lawful channels. Proceed only with accounts you own or are authorized to manage. You now follow the platform's official recovery flow to reset access. This avoids security breaches and preserves data. For cloud accounts, request a reset link or code to the registered contact. For local OS accounts, use the documented recovery assistant or system restore options. If two-person or enterprise controls exist, submit a verified request to IT. Make sure to record each step and any codes you receive. That trace helps if additional verification is needed later. Complete the process by choosing a strong, unique password and enabling two-factor authentication to prevent repeat lockouts. Once set, save recovery keys in a reputable password manager and keep an offline copy in a safe place. If you encounter errors or automated recovery fails, contact official support or your administrator and provide proof of ownership. Do not use third-party crack tools. One troubleshooting tip: if codes never arrive, check spam filters and carrier blocking, then request support escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.